go. Hey, y'all, it's Miss Amanda. I just want to tell y'all that I miss y'all and I love you and I wish we were all together, but unfortunately, we can't be right now. But 1 week left and we can get back to school. Some of us, most of us. Well, no, really half of us. But I love y'all and I wish we were all together. And I just want to tell everybody thank you first before I say anything else for texting me and calling me and checking on me, you and your parents. I appreciate it. We have been doing good. Me and my mama both are doing fine. No trouble, no problems or anything with COVID. So hopefully the rest of this week will go the same way and we can move on and, try to get back to normal life. But if you know me, there's nothing normal about me. So we're okay. All right, so there was a couple things I wanted to talk to you guys about before we did anything. The first thing I wanted to tell you is that some of you are really behind on your assignments, so we need to start getting stuff submitted. Because otherwise you're going to get so far behind that you're going to be overloaded, and that's going to be a problem. The second thing I want to tell you is this is the last week that I am accepting things turned in late with no consequences, okay? You guys have got to submit your assignments on time after this week. We're giving you one more grace week to help you figure it out and know how to submit everything, okay? So we're going to give you just a little bit longer, a couple more days, and then you got to be submitting it. So if you're still having problems and can't figure it out, you need to call the school or whatever, talk to a friend, use your classmates. A lot of them have had the same problem that you may be having. So talk with a classmate and see if they can help you figure it out, okay? And get on that subject right now. I'm going to show you guys real quick where you can find those videos that show you exactly what to do and explain it to you. The Schoology or Schoology, however you want to pronounce it, training videos that are on our website, okay? I love you guys, but I know some of you haven't watched those, and then you're sending me messages asking for help on how to do things, and it's because you haven't watched the videos. And so I'm getting like 80,000 emails. So please don't, I love you, don't email me asking for help unless you have already watched the training videos, okay? All right, so I'm going to show you where those training videos are real quick, okay? So I'm going to make myself small. Wish I could do it in real life. And make my big fat belly small and this chin. Okay. All right, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to the home page, which I have saved up here as a favorite, okay? So the home page web address is jms.fsd5.org, okay? So this is our home screen. This is what it looks like. You're going to come up here, scroll down, and click on this blue circle. Click on that, and then you're going to scroll down again till you get down here to Schoology tutorial videos for students. Here's the overview. Here's how to access the work. And the big important thing, these right here, okay? How to open and submit an assignment that is an interactive PDF. Saving assignments. Make sure you're using Google Chrome. Uploading an assignment using Firefox, okay? All these things, and there's more. Working in and submitting an assignment in Schoology. Sending your teacher a message in Schoology. Please, y'all, watch these videos. Okay? Watch these videos for me. I'm begging you. And that will help you. And if you still can't figure it out, I am more than happy to help you figure it out. Okay? But watch the videos first. Alright, so the second thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to save. Because a lot of you guys are still submitting your assignments, and then when they get to me, they're blank. And we're still having that problem, so I'm just going to show you again, even though it's on those videos that I just told you to watch. I'm going to show you again, okay? All right, and there's a couple more things I want to show you. All right, so what I want you to do is we'll just go to a regular class. So you'll click in your class, and then I'm just going to go to week 2, okay? So go to week 2. I'm going to click on Tuesday, and I'm going to go to the study guide, okay? Because a lot of y'all were struggling submitting the study guide. I got like 20 of them blank. So you're going to click on this. Make sure when you click on an assignment that you read the directions and you don't just click and go. Okay, those directions are important, so make sure you're reading them, okay? All right, so you'll come here. Don't click view. Do not click view, okay? If you click view, it's only going to let you do one thing. View it. It's not going to let you type on it, okay? So click the actual link right there, and it will pop up at the bottom of the screen down here. Click on that, okay? And then it comes up and you can type your answer in there as much as you need to. Click on that one. That is not how you spell that. Here's another answer. And then if you scroll down, you can answer the rest of the study guide. Look, there's the plot that you're going to put in. And you just click into it and write it. And then there's your other part, okay? So you'll do all 3 pages. And then, which you've already done. Okay, so this is what you do when you're ready to save, okay? You don't actually hit save. You hit print. But Miss Amanda, I don't have a printer. I know. I don't have a printer either. We're not really printing. We just have to click print to get where we need to go. So come up here, and you're going to click on the little printer right there, okay? When you do that, you're going to come here, and where it says destination, make sure that when you can click through all of these, you click on Microsoft Print to PDF, okay? When you do that, you're going to hit print. But it's not really going to print. Watch what happens. Print. And look, it popped this up for me to save it. And then you're going to save it as Telltale Heart Study Guide 1.3. And I'm just going to put the word example so I know what I'm looking at. And then you're going to click save. And then your document is saved for you to submit it. Okay? Now, one more thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. Please, guys, I love y'all so much. Please make sure that you're reading all the directions in your folders, okay? Look over here. The first thing I want you guys to start doing every week, I just started doing that this week, okay? You know, my classroom's done in Harry Potter, so I did this kind of like a Harry Potter theme or whatever. So you're going to start off, before you even look at the week's assignments, I want you to go to Peek at the Week. I stole that from Miss Janet Stuckey, thank you. And you're going to click on this, which is called the Daily Prophet. In Harry Potter world, that's the newspaper that comes out, okay? So you're going to click on the Daily Prophet, and then you're going to read through what's due for the week, okay? And it tells you exactly what to do. These are the graded assignments for the week, and it tells you if they're major or minor, and I forgot to put it right there, but a quiz is a minor grade. It tells you Monday, what you have to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right here for the agenda. It gives you any important announcements right here. Please make sure you watch the Schoology videos. It gives you my email, and then I add a little meme for the week. Teachers trying to keep up with virtual teaching, parent emails, virtual department meetings, virtual school-wide meetings, their own children, and the coronavirus. I'm fine. It's Ross from Friends because I love Friends. So make sure you look at that. That's the first thing you want to look at so you know what is expected. Even if you want to get your parents to print it out, stick it on the fridge and say, okay, I can highlight, I finished this, you know, and go throughout the week and make sure you got it. So then after you do that, guys, you want to go over here, look at your Monday folder, okay? And so you got your Monday stuff right here, the instructions for the vocabulary sheet, and then there's the vocabulary sheet. So read all of that stuff, okay? Here was the other thing I noticed that you guys didn't do quite right, and I want us to talk about it, okay? Tuesday, you guys were supposed to, if you didn't read it, you missed it, if you weren't paying attention. All right, so there was the story for the Telltale Heart. And then there's the study guide that you just were allowed to start. You didn't have to finish, but you needed to start. And then here were the 2 videos of the actual story that you could watch from YouTube. Now, this is for a grade. You see where it says graded right there? And in this class, I ain't got but one person. What I think, or either that's one person not graded. So you guys are supposed to be clicking and messaging on this discussion board. And you haven't been doing that. So if you look right here, it says read the Telltale Heart and watch the videos. Comment below about what you think about this crazy, creepy story. Give me 3 to 5 sentences explaining your thoughts on the story and why you think it has been such an inspiration to horror writers and filmmakers over the years. So I had some of you comment about the PowerPoint about Poe's life. That's not what this asked you to do. It asked you to tell me about the story. And then some of you haven't commented anything. Some of you commented, I liked it. Is that 3 to 5 good sentences? And I mean good sentences. And this is for a grade, okay? I had a few of you that wrote a lot, but maybe wrote it on the wrong topic. I had some of you that did a really good job. Let's see. I'm trying to find one that I thought was really, really good. I like this. I like Dawson Stone's comment. I like the way I think it's supposed to be the way the movie is presented and how good the graphics were. It did not affect me because I love horror movies. The way suspension is in the story. And so then I asked him a question. So you can reply to each other if you want to. Cameron Kokopoti had a great thing. It says Telltale Heart is a good story from the open lines. It gives the reader an immediate sense of how the narrator perceives the events he lived through. From the very first sentence, he creates suspense by starting the story, saying he's not crazy, which creates the suspense and makes you nervous and want to keep reading. I mean, he did a great job, okay? So I'll grade that, and he'll get 100 on that comment. That's the easy way to get 100, okay? That's just, I want y'all talking because we're not in person, so I want you communicating and talking with each other, okay? All right, so I'm not going to say anything else because the video is getting too long, and y'all are sick of me, I'm sure. Lulu! Come here, Boogie! Lulu! Come here and tell everybody hey. Come here. What's that? Come here. Tell them hey. Say hey. Oh, here. Tell everybody hey. Okay, we still cannot see anything. There we go. Give them sugars. Oh, she gave y'all a kiss. Come here. Come here. Oh, see everybody. You see everybody. Tell them hey. She's just jumping up on the couch trying to tell y'all hey. Alright, get down. That's enough. That's enough. Yes, it is. Alright, so I wish I was with y'all, but I do like that I get to be with my bulldog all day, every day. So work hard this week. I've got some fun stuff planned. We're going to do a digital escape room, which is going to be fun, where you have to figure out clues online to get out of the room, which is, it'll be interesting and something different. And I'm going to upload a couple of videos that'll be fun, and we're going to take our final test and then move on from Tilted Heart. I could teach it for 2 more weeks. There's so many things to go through. It's so good and so detailed. So anyway, I love y'all. Have a great week and work hard, and I will talk to you later. Send me videos and messages and stuff so we can get to know each other, and I love you. Mwah. Bye. Where did I turn this off? 11 minutes. I did not mean for it to be that long.